So I've got a button here that's going to let me choose the difficulty level. I'm going to click on here and edit the script, and in here I shall put in an answer. I'll ask them how difficult, and I'm going to get them to answer with either easy or medium or hard. And whatever they choose, so it'll come up as little buttons that you can click on. Whatever they choose, I'm going to put it into some variable, which I'll call response, because that's a reasonable variable name, meaningful variable name. And then depending on their response, so I'm going to use a selection statement, and I'm going to say if response equals easy, then now I'm going to set the sort of how much it fades in and out. So if it's easy, I want it to fade all the way in, so I'm going to set the let's call it the clarity level. So I've made up a variable there, just how clear it is. So I'll say put, now if it's easy, then I'm just going to make it fade all the way up, so I'm going to put 100 into the clarity level. And I'll copy that line and copy it again for the 3 different levels. So I'll make that medium. And if it's like medium level, then I'll maybe fade up to, let's say 70%. And if it's hard, I'll maybe get it to fade up only halfway, so I'll go to 50%. So that means that at the end of that handler there, that's on that button, I'll have some kind of number attached to how clear I want the animal to appear. So I need that variable, the clarity level, to carry over to the other handlers so that they know what value it has. So I'm going to say that clarity level is a global variable, so it'll be used across the rest of the program. And I'm just going to save that, and it's saying it doesn't know what to do with response, so I'll copy that and stick that up here as a variable as well. And now on here, if I click on start, oops, I need to do a bit of image processing because the dog was sitting. Do you see how these animals are fading in? And that was because I set, let's just go and look at the code on the start button here. Do you remember I said that they should just fade into 20? Now on this button I collected a value for the clarity level, so I'm going to come in here and just add our clarity level as a variable. It's a global variable, so the value that I picked up on this button, the choose difficulty level, I can now pick up the same value on the start button. So I'll use that, and I'm going to replace this 20, because at the moment they're just fading into 20%, so they're not fading in very much at all. So I'll put it in there, and that's it. So I'll save that, and let's just see it working. So I'll choose my difficulty level, let's say it's medium, and I'll click on start, and there are my 3 animals, and it waits 2 seconds, and then they fade in. Oh, I've got a cat. Oops, where have the other ones gone? There's a cat, so I'll go on there, I'll score. Oh, the cat keeps coming up. Oh, I've got a dog. 3, got another cat. Cat's popular. Got a dog. I wonder if I'll get a pig. No pig. I wonder where the pig's coming up. Let's just see if we can get that again. There's the dog. Cat. Oh, and a pig. There we go.